finish na already ito. Cooking. Ito na po yung finished product ng pansit bihon. Ayan pong toppings niya, hotdog. Wala kaming ibang magawa. Sari-sari na lang po tayo. Basta makakain, no? Ito lang po ang simpleng gawa ng bihon. Don't forget to subscribe my Sweetie Lips Channelisa. Makikita nyo kahit anong videos. Sana like and share din po tayo. Post the notification bell. So, don't skip ads. Ayan po guys. Thank you for watching. To this finished product of pansit bihon. Pinilitong isda at hotdog lamang. Yung sabaw niya, sabaw ng manok. Sinabaw. Thank you for watching.